First, we're actually going to generate some questions here. So I just want to make some stoichiometric questions here. 3 questions suitable for Anki flashcards. Please use latex rather than Unicode. So Unicode is just the subscript, superscripts that you could get using a plain text file. So we want the full latex, so it looks really nice. So let's run that. All right, so we have now finished generating questions. So you can actually see here for card number 3, here's the question, and then this will be the work solution. Now you will need to do a bit of work if you want to refine or put in specific ones. So then you would actually customize your prompt there. So I'm just doing it very simply. So now I want to create a tab separated file format that Anki can use. So in the comments section, you will see the prompt. So I'm just going to paste that in. You can read it more clearly in the comment sections. And we let it do its thing. All right, so it now has done that. So it's fairly long horizontally. So we're going to say generate the file for download now. So I'm just going to click on that. And I'm going to save this. Right, so now I have finished playing around with ChatGPT. It's created everything that I want. All right, so we're in Anki now, and I want to make a new deck. You can see my other ones I've created here. So I'm just going to go to Tools and Study Deck, and I will add one. Okay, so this is going to be some chemistry, stoichiometry. And you can see, yep, you finished this deck because there's nothing in it. So we'll just go back to decks. Yep, there it is there. All right, so now I want to import my files. So go to File, Imports. Where did I save it? There we are. And we end up with this little window here. Now, there are some advanced uses that you can do. However, you should be able to just import. And you can see that 3 questions or 3 cards have been imported. All right, so let's close that. And you can see the 3 new ones there. Now, if I want to review them, I will simply click on Browse and I will go to Chemistry Stoic, and I'll just resize this a bit. So you can see the 3 questions there. So this is actually the front one, and then this is the back answer. So if there were any sort of import errors, then this is where you would actually go ahead and fix it. So you got things like superscript, subscript, and you can actually put in equations. You can also add in your sound files and also attach pictures, but you can copy and paste it directly in there. So just a quick review. Yep, that's all looking quite well. So now, yep, let's go and have a play. So in the reaction, show the answer. Here's all the nice working out. Yeah, that's easy. All right, so we've got something there. Well, that was a bit hard, so that's going to remind me in 3 hours' time. Looks like a nice simple harbor one. And yep, so we've got a bit more working out there. Again, with the prompt, you can then tidy up how many lines of solutions you could put in. So If you don't regulate that, then you'll get nice long ones like that. Yep, that one's easy. So that's good. Don't remind me in 6 hours. Okay. So that's how you can use AI to fully create your decks. Okay. Obviously, you'd go back and change the prompt in the first place. So you could change that to physics or maths, etc. I want 10 questions. All right. So don't forget the key points of make sure you've got Anki in there so it knows what's going on. So it's already quite well aware of that one. And use the latex formatting to get the nice presentation there. That's it. Thank you.